Yeah, believe it. J-A-M-E-L with the big Digo double G. D-A-Z, D-P-G, family. Oh wait. Yeah. You say you wanna party with us? Well, come on baby, let me see you get up and quit playing and do what I'm saying. We got a whole lot of food if you plan on staying. We all the same, no matter where you at, in the Bentley or the ghetto. We keep the hot metal, settle down and pass it around, cause we having a good time while I'm in y'all town. Franchising with French fries with French flies. Deal double G and I'ma do it to you 10 times. Flizz-eye, is-I, was-I, Operation Cleopatra, coming right at ya. J-A-M-E-L, I'm trying to holler at you, homie, pick up your cell. D-P-G, hell yeah, I got some suckers on my tail, could you make them bail? We gonna party, hit the party style. We gonna party, we gonna shake it up, do it to your head. We gonna party, yeah, hit the party style. It's nothing but a party, baby. We gonna set the party all night long. You say you wanna party with us? Well, come on, baby, let me see you get up. And what's my motherfucking name? Doc Jamel, c'est mon nouveau prénom. C'est comme ça que Snoop Doggy Doggy m'appelle. Hey, il a raison. Et les gars, moi c'est Doc Jamel. Ok, we all the same, ça veut dire on est les mères. Toque pas là-bas qui fume de la weed. وحقا العادي ما دير موكو بحميد حميد. La weed, t'es sweet, la weed. J-A-M-E-L, t'es sweet. Tous les jours, y'a des gens qui m'énervent. Snoop et moi, on aimerait bien les voir avec une minière. Mais pas la petite vénère. Ce soir, on va se la faire. Party, party. There's nothing but a party, baby. Get your groove on. Party, party. Les mêmes titres rappellent les mêmes remises de peine. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Don't jump out. Yeah, man. Say it, man. Church. Church. Come on, say it. Church. Sing it with me, come on. Church. Everybody, come on. Church. Sing it. Church. With my nephew Jamizzle, for shizzle dizzle, it's off the hizzle. For rizzle, can you fizzle? Oh, you don't hear what I'm talking about. You too with me, but you feel me, don't you? Y'all got y'all language, I got my language.